talk about suppressing features by name. And this is actually a pretty handy piece of functionality if you have specific features that you know you need to suppress within your automation process. So to do that, we're going to actually come in and do a feature suppress. And there is a table variation of this, which you should definitely take a look at. And by default, it is going to work with the active model. And you can also specify a specific name if you want, or a wildcard. And then the feature name is can also be wildcarded. So just to give you an example here, if we come in and we see that we have basket openings here, and this also has, if I try to suppress this manually, you'll see that there's a couple of other features here that are going to be associated with that. And then let's also take a look at the grill. So you can see that the grill has some openings on the top. The basket has some openings underneath, and we've done a really good job of using naming conventions to keep this all straight. So I'm actually going to run this on all parts that are in session, and I'm going to look for anything with the word open in it as a feature name. And then we'll want to do a regeneration on the top level assembly here. And when we run this, you'll notice that it has gone in and suppressed those features. I did a manual refresh to get the treat update. It's done a manual suppress those features, and obviously the children of those will automatically suppress also. So that's basically how you use the functionality. And again, there is a table version of this, which basically does the same thing. So if you take a table feature, whoops, suppress, and you look at the options for it, you could see that it does also accepts item name and feature name as options for that also.